Hello traders, and welcome to the market opening preview on a Friday, September 5th, 2014. Traders, great to be with you, coming to you live from Pattaya, Thailand. Bright blue sunny skies, white sandy beaches, absolutely gorgeous. Pretty early in the morning for us over here in Thailand. Actually, it's before 9 a.m. Traders, remember this is brought to you through FXCL Excellence in Trading. Alright, traders, let me introduce myself to you. My name is William Gilday. I'm your moderator through the market opening preview every single trading day before the London Open. Traders, we also do the Friday wrap-up, which is completed after the New York close, and we go over about 12 to 10 daily currency charts and look forward to the next week and what we might have coming aboard. Alright, traders, I started trading in the year 2006. 2008, I retired from a great career in the fire rescue department out of the great state of Florida. Came to Thailand for a 3-month vacation for a celebration. Well, traders, it's 2014 and I'm still here. Traders, I love what I do. I trade the Forex market every single trading day. I don't necessarily take a trade, but at least I'm in the markets watching, analyzing, and looking. Trying to just grab a little bit of profit. Can't win every trade, but we want to win most. Alright, traders, let's get over to the risk disclaimer. Forex trading has a large potential rewards, but also a large potential of risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the Forex markets. Traders, please do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Traders, also remember that past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. Alright, traders, let's jump on over here and grab over to the news and commentary. Alright, let's take a look at what happened. The Dow 30 closed just in the red at negative 0.5%, the S&P 500 negative 0.15%, and the NASDAQ 100 at negative 0.12%. If we take a look across the pond, it looks like they all closed in the green. The DAX closed at 1.02%, the FTSE 100 just in the green at 0.06%, and the CAC 40 at 1.65%. The Eurostoxx 50 also did very well with positive 1.78%. Traders, let's take a look at what's trading currently. The Nikkei 225 is up 0.17%, with the Shanghai also in the green at 0.25%. The Hang Seng is down 0.18%. The S&P ASX 2000 out of Sydney, Australia, is down negative 0.18%. Ending the markets that are currently trading, the Kospi 200 is down negative 0.25%. Traders, let's gander over here to the other screen and let's take a look at what is going on news-wise today. We know it is NFP Friday, so I'm expecting things to be pretty quiet. Traders, I see nothing high impact. We do have unemployment change out of the CAD an hour before the New York session, and also at the same time we have non-farm payrolls. Traders, as you know, this is my commentary. As you know, yesterday the ECB President Draghi came on and made a comment after they lowered 10 basis points on their interest rates, which absolutely took the market by surprise. They were expecting no change. And I can tell you that the euro dropped 150 or 160 pips yesterday. So what's going to happen today? Well, to tell you the truth, traders, until the NFP numbers come out, I don't think anything's going to happen today. I think this is going to be a very, very slow London session. The only thing we might see is we might get a couple little scalp trades, counter trend, as people are going to start to take those profits off the table from that huge move yesterday on many currency pairs. So look for scalping, counter trend, for profit taking, position squaring, and then of course wait for the big NFP numbers to come out. And I would expect they're going to be good numbers. All right, traders, let's move over to the 60-minute Forex charts. There's not going to be a lot to talk about on these charts. They're almost all the same. Take a look at this euro dollar. This was the sell-off yesterday from that announcement. like what are we going to do here? It's sideways now because we're in Asia in the inactive zone. So we'd hope to see this come back up to the 38.2 at 1.3008. 30.22, that's a little high. I don't know if it's going to get up that far, I'll be honest with you, traders. I think this is going to go sideways for a long time, but hopefully we get a couple little moves. We can grab little pips to go into our weekend break. All right, let's go over to the pound. Look at the pound. Even the pound reacted. I think we do have a trade here, though, however. I think we can come back up to this 23.6 at 1.6354, 63.40, somewhere in there. And we could take this down, but it definitely needs to pull back to that 23.6 Fibonacci level, because then we would be trading into resistance at 63.10. So that'll give us, about 25 pips, and that'll give us a nice little profit area after spread. And of course, we're not going to get in exactly at the right spot. All right, traders, let's move over to the Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar, the wacky Aussie dollar. Even that one sold off. Only thing I can say here, traders, is, it's above the 200 exponential moving average. Just look for a bullish candlestick formation. So what we want to see here is, we'd love to see some dojis and some hammers. We want to see some weakness of the bears and see if the bulls can take over. And we just want to take this up. And after you get that, then you're going to have to redo an analysis and a trade plan on the Aussie dollar. And, hopefully you can take this all the way back up to 93.85, which would be beautiful. All right, here we go to the Euro Aussie. Again, this thing just dumped on that data from yesterday with the interest rate decision out of the ECB. I don't know what's going to happen here today, traders. I think it's going to go sideways. We might get a little bounce, but it'd be nice if it would come back up to that 38.2 at 39.00, and we could take this to the downside. Just keep an eye on it, but don't jump into anything crazy. And like I said, put your scalp hats on today. And if you don't scalp, you know what? Go play golf or stay in bed and sleep if you're in the U.S. No reason to be awake. I think the London session is going to be pretty dull. All right, let's go over to the Euro Yen. Look at this. Euro Yen absolutely sold off. This already has started its pullback already, which is kind of nice. So I think of any trade we have today is we have a trade where this might come back up to that 38.2, and that's at 136.73. So maybe we can get a trade down from that area and get a bearish candlestick formation. We'll get out at 136.04, and that would be a nice trade. But out of all of them, I think the Euro Yen is probably our best bet for a regular trade where it wouldn't be a scalp. We can get into sort of a swing trade and be in the trade for 2 hours or 3 hours and maybe grab 23 or 40 pips. All right, traders. Last one of the days, the New Zealand dollar. There was no trade set up here. I had nothing to fib. It's already broken support. I don't know what this is going to do. We're basically looking for a bullish candlestick formation, and let's take it to the upside. It's a counter trend trade, but I think that's the only trade you're going to get today. And again, keep on your scalp hat. Traders, on behalf of myself, William Gilday, and our great friends, FXCL Excellence in Trading, I'd like to thank you for joining me on a Friday, NFP Friday at that. Lots of data, so be careful. Please remember, trade smart and not hard. And traders, if you don't feel comfortable, you know what? Take the day off. There's nothing wrong with that, and we will catch you on Monday. Traders, have a great weekend break, and we will see you Monday before the London Open. And don't forget, after the New York close, we will have the Friday wrap-up. Traders, coming to you live from Pattaya, Thailand. Have a great one. See you now. Bye-bye.